What's up, Nova Electric fans? I am back again with a new video for you. Today I'm going to be heading over to UBC again just for like a little ride. I know I haven't been uploading for like a long time now. I was on vacation for a little bit, and I also had some other things to deal with. Wow, I don't remember this bike being this powerful. I did do some upgrades. Some things happened, so when I parked the bike for the winter, my tenant closed the garage door on the lever, the brake lever, and it snapped it right off. So I had to get new ones. This one's kind of funky at the moment, but yeah, I need to fix this one a little bit more, tweak it. And then I put some new turn signals on here because the original ones were not as bright. I'll probably do a showcase today. Let's get the footage. So yeah, so we're gonna go to UBC and get all that. Ooh, it's cold. Right now I think it's about 12 degrees. There's something out there. Let's hope I make it out there. I don't remember when I charged this thing. Never a good idea, but I'm already halfway here. Well, not halfway, but I'm already almost there, so might as well. Today is a beautiful day. Wow, we haven't had one of these in a long time, so I'm glad to be out on the bike again. Yeah, this brake lever is wreaking havoc right now. It's like clicking on and off, really annoying me. I can feel the bike jolting, like because it's confused if it's been pressed or not. I hope the taillight's like not freaking out. Like, I'm not even pressing anything right now, and it's doing this weird jolt feel. Oh my god. After this guy's riding an HOV lane where he's not supposed to be. Gotta love Vancouver drivers, you know? What the actual hell is this? Whoa, where's the lights? Are the lights offline? Oh, they're offline. I'm gonna go. Screw it. Probably should have worn my warmer gloves. My hands are frozen already. It's only been like not even 10 minutes on the road. The backpack right now I have all the my gimbal and everything, so I can do the showcase for you guys since you guys been asking for a little while. I was going to, but I didn't because one, last time I was going to do it, I forgot the gimbal. Two, the weather's been really poopy recently. It's been mostly like monsoon rain with cold and then snow a little bit. So it's been like a mixed bag of whether I should do it or not. So that's why I haven't done it. Yeah, today I will. To remember how to use my Senna, I have no clue because it's been so long. Let's see. I don't know what I just did. Oh, okay. Oh, shit. Oh, okay, so this is skip. Ah, okay, there we go. Ah, come on. Quit using the brake, you stupid thing. Ugh. So I found out the cold does get to this bike. It seems to be moving the gauge around. This thing does not like the cold either, so I know the summertime it was fantastic. Battery meter did not move much, but the cold might be a different story. Seems to be moving a bit more. That's the problem with these types of bikes. You can't really distinguish like how much battery you actually have, because it's based on your voltage. Like you don't know if it's actually like the true voltage, because that's the amount of voltage it's sucking from the battery at that time, right? So it's kind of funky. But say with the Super Soaker, I mean that one's not always like, accurate as well, even though it does have an onboard BMS. Kind of hard to distinguish what type of what do you call it? Well, how much percentage of battery you have actually. So. The power in this bike, it's crazy. The amount of torque this thing has, the amount of speed this thing has, it's crazy. Come on. There we go. So noisy in this helmet right now. That was another issue with this damn thing. It's loud. This helmet is loud. It ain't quiet at all. But it's one of the more quiet helmets that I have though. Wake up. Wake up, hand. Wake up. It's very cold. Look at that view. Real close ahead. Oh. Really now? Is it actually close though? That's my question. Okay, well, detour then. So I'm gonna get lost now because I have no idea where the hell I'm going. Oh, they just had to do it when I wanted to ride down. So how do I get to the beach then? I just did a giant loop, a waste of time. Great, where does that take me? I don't remember where this takes me. I think I've taken this route before, but I don't remember where it goes. Probably should have brought my charger. Oh, great. I have no idea where the hell I am. I think I'm starting to remember where this takes me. Yeah, I think I know where I am now. Roughly. Just a matter of how the hell do I get out of this area? Question, do I still go to the beach though? Great question. No clue. Probably not. Since it's close. Let's see, where should I go? I still am near the beach, I know that. Like down this hill. Yeah, the beach is where, yeah, okay, I know where I am now. My hands are just numb at this point. I don't think shaking them around will do anything, but it feels kind of nice right now. I can't feel anything, so it's gotten to that point where it's like, it kind of feels good to not feel anything in your hands. Kind of weird. I don't know what I'm saying. This is probably gonna be a long ride. I might have to split into two. Depends. Yeah. I still need to do shots, and I also have to like get some breakfast. Okay, I'm gonna get some breakfast. I'll be right back.